Welcome back to another Minecraft episode, and today I'm playing with the hiccups because I don't know what else to do. More random stuffs. Kill targets, assassins, lots of conversations. Okay. So, find face on map, stab face, that's the entire game. Kill people before they kill you. Stuff, yeah, stabby stab. And that's really it. And I have the hiccups. Yes, perfect time to play video games and record your voice. And someone's after me. Okay. I have to get that person. That person. Frick. I try to throw my sword because I'm a dunce. Anyway. He's why. Okay. Watch this. Easy. Boom. Bruh. Okay. It's the moon. Okay. So, find face. Face. Stab face. That person is the... Nice. Okay. More blue peoples. I just gotta stab one more target and I'm good. Time to pounce. Okay. So, there's one person over there who I'm going to quickly assume is the murderer, who's the target. Oh! Okay, well, I need to kill that person to get them as my target. Anyone can kill anyone at this point. G. That's 2 targets. That's all I wanted to do. Goodbye. This game is bad. I said go /hub apparently. Yes, it actually works. I found a mystery box, but okay, that's amazing. Just let me play. No. Okay. Parkour is evil. Why is this woodman in my face? Okay. Hiccups are evil. A hiccup count. Nah, I'm too lazy to edit anything. Oh my god. Lots of death already. Not a good, and it's upstairs too. I need gold. That guy's weird. Upstairs. Okay. Congratulations, you're watching a video that has the worst audio known to man. Oh! The zombie blocked me! What? No! No! Okay. Well, that's fun. I was just holding down the button, and it randomly shot. I thought it would hold it in. No! Okay. This game isn't even that fun. Why am I playing it? I found a Roblox game called Entry Point. I've been playing that game way too much. But it's like stealth based, and so I want to do stealthy things and kill NPCs. It's fun, but I don't want. But Roblox is a bad site, anyways, because controls don't work on this computer that I'm playing. Why is hiccups so mean? Okay. There's 12 people left. I have 5 gold and there's not many people in the center. Oh my gosh. That's a person. It's almost like I expected that. No, sub to Roblox. You heard him, folks. Red Steve 21. It's ironic, because he's not a Steve. But in fact, he is a creeper of some form. I feel like your skin says a lot about you. I used to be a creeper, and now I'm just a black abyss. Banana. Aw, man. What? Okay, sure. Sure, guys. Hiccups. And it's not helping that I'm speaking, probably. But the smartest thing I could do, probably not record anything and just sleep or something. I don't know who sleeps, though. You know what? Just because of that, I'm uploading at like 10 p.m. So it's so it just makes it ambiguous about what time it actually is. I gotta run upstairs now. I was after the bow, and then he shot me. This is big sad. Oh. Bad intent. That is ironic. The murder has a bad intent. Okay. I remember winning on this map one time, so that's fun. Hopefully I get murdered in a... Ooh. Again. Anyways. Why do my headsets want to shut down? No. Ugh. I don't think that's the case, but it might be. Giga Guy? That sounds weird. Also has a black skin. I wonder where he is. That's an interesting hidey hole. Never saw that before. Why is there so much death? There's just like no one. Yes, 100. Oh, okay. That decreased very fast. 11 and 5. Hiccups are terrible. I just gotta start live streaming one time and confuse the heck out of people. I want gold. Every time I make that noise, it is a hiccup that came before it. I wonder. There's nothing up here, is there? I came up there for nothing. No. Wow, that's very unfortunate for the guy in a sense, but also not. Blue FNAF man okay. Okay, let me use his own snowballs against him. Die. Okay. Now run. I want more gold. Give me gold. Amazing. Ah! The guy! He's there. I don't know if anyone believes me. And I heard movement in the real world. It's very sad. Is no one going to try to kill Blue FNAF Man? Ah! No! Okay. Not even close. Here, I want to give someone the dog plush. Here, have a dog plush. Boom. What does that mean? Absolutely nothing, which is why they needed it. Nope, get out of my way. I don't want to shoot your feet. Bop! Okay. GG. Easy one. Okay. See, I wish it was that fast every time. But it's not. Okay. Winning might have a help that a bit. I'm a non. Well, he didn't say murder, so I don't know if we can trust. Why is anyone still watching this? Okay. Like, cause it's just the best content. Yeah, that's what I'm going for. It's only the best. Why would anyone still watch this after being so inspired by the pure quality of this content? See, I knew that was what all of you are thinking. Because I'm just that good. Okay. Let's find more gold. Why can I not say gold without hiccuping? Okay, I got past that one time. Okay. Ooh, dead bodies. That's not nerve-wracking at all. Okay. One more gold and I get to shoot somebody. Or at least attempt to, because apparently I'm bad at it. But I'm the best at the same time. It's amazing. Oh! Bookshelf boy. I knew I would miss. No! Okay. I meant easy. GG. That not even nothing happened. Hell. These people are poopies. Okay. They gotta lose the karma. Because saying easy in chat is too bad. Same thing. MVP just stole my comment. I'm gonna write that. There. Anyways. He's telling people to spell it, but he can't spell it himself. Can't spell. Ironic. He has the bow now. He tried to murder me. I killed him before. After he tried to murder other people. Well, he did. But only a couple. Okay, I gotta sit back and watch while someone murders him. And I get to swoop in and shoot them in the face. Why? No, he's leaving. That means I can't just jump on his corpse afterwards. Okay, let's see what's going on, boys. Got literally no movement. Quality content. This is why you're all subscribed and watch the video. 'Cause quality. Yeah, well, apparently they got me too, which on a different account. I don't know how, or I didn't modify anything. Oh, he did die. Okay, let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. GG. Not even close. Bruh. Another map. 10 and 7. Wait, did it go down? No. This is very sad, bros. I just gotta end it as soon as a murder. Is the bow alive? Okay, the bow is still alive. That's good. Watch, I'm gonna fall into the fire. I can't speak. Give me the cauldron. Okay. Okay, Winnie the Pooh didn't die. I was scared of that. I was scared that Winnie the Pooh died. Why? I'm getting all of the bad ones. Well, at least I know which ones are the bad ones. No, stop it. I want it. Okay. There. I'm invisible. Okay, let's see if he murders someone. Well, he didn't murder someone, so I'm trusting him for now. Why? Okay, I don't want that, but I can't remove it. If you just try to queue it out, it's still there. Speed! Why am I getting so many slownesses? Invincibility, yes. I must. More invincibility. Okay, I have resistance for like 10 more seconds. There. Let me try assert myself into danger within the next 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't like this. Okay. I think I shot. He might have had like invincibility. Yeah, well, okay, well, you could have had any other effect too, so, bruh. Dead. Invincibility. Because you're guaranteed to have it. Okay. Why is there another pizza man? Why? Okay. Why is there so many weird words? Okay, easy, boom. I mean, I do enjoy playing Hypixel for the most part, but that Roblox, I mean, seriously, it's really bad, but sometimes it's good. Why? I'm playing on a weird mouse. My brother has a weird mouse, and he bind controls, so apparently 2 is now inventory. I don't understand him. Hmm. Hmm. People say that saying whose murder in chat is against the law. No, it isn't. It's like it's meant to be that way. Hmm. Hmm. See, the one thing you gotta account for. See, yeah. It's the one thing no one can account for. Human stupidity. They just do random things. It's quite weird. Like that person holding the bow in front of his face. GG. Okay. I'm assuming that random body on the ground over there was murder. But who knows? What various things to talk about? Nothing, because I don't want to say anything right now. Bruh. No, it's not a completely darked out person. Very sad. Scary. Okay. Drink the pot. Wait. That sounds weird. I can see also blindness gives you slowness for some reason. I don't like it. It seems like a great way for a murderer to just go. Speaking of which. Okay. Yes. Quality gaming. Stare. You blinked. Frick, bro, I blinked. It's German. GG. Oh, as in the person German. Words. Okay. See, the nice part about this is no one knows who you are. That's what's amazing about not being popular, you know. You by definition aren't popular. Oh yeah, murder, by the way. Now I get to stab some fools. Actually, they'll probably stab me first, but we'll ignore that. Because they will manifest a sword. Speaking of which, I don't even have a sword. I have a feather. Scary moments. Okay. Okay, assess the situation. Whoa. Is this soul sand? Yeah, it's soul sand. No. How'd the detective die? Probably stabbed an innocent. Charge. Okay, when in doubt, just stab people. It's a great strat. No one questions it. I hear doors being opened. Oh, no. Oh, rip that guy. Okay. So there's 3 innocents left. I have to stab 3 people before they shoot me with a bow. Okay, let me head inside and try to search. No one knows who it is. Because I stabbed everyone who saw me. Where did it go? Someone asks confusingly. It's there. Okay. Where are these people? I need to kill them. Frick, bro. Goodbye. I should be able to see them on my map soon, since there's only one player left, and there's not much time remaining. Watch, he's just like hunkered in a random room, with no hope of me finding him. Glitched onto Mount Everest. I assume at the 1 minute mark I'll be able to look at my map and see him. I can't. Okay. Here, let me get an RC car. You might like that. So my goal is to give them this and then stab him with a feather. Because I'm a nice person. Well, I gave them it. He was just standing there. Was he there the entire time? I'm assuming he was. Well, he got whatever. I already forgot. What was it? An RC Minecraft toy. Okay. He got something out of that at least. Wait a second. Didn't I say, well, too bad I'm lazy. I don't want to stop now. No. How long has it even been? Oh, I accidentally opened Steam. I have no idea how to tell. Oh, there it is. 30 minutes. Okay, after this game will end just so that way it's shorter videos. This is pro Minecrafting. Ignore the glass panes that just occurred. Oh wow, it's a rainbow. Good job. That is very ironic. Well, I must say,